Time. In time, as we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. When the minute hand is before 6, the time is read as past. For example, here, the minute hand is before 6, that is at 4. So, we will write it as 20 minutes past to 7. The position of the minute hand at 3, 6, 9 and 12 are used as quarter past, half past, quarter to and o'clock respectively. For example, this is quarter past 4, half past 7, quarter to 6 and 8 o'clock. Reading time. In the clock, the time changes in every minute, so let us learn to read the time. In this clock, the minute hand is at 3, so the number of minutes is equal to 5 into 3, which is equal to 15, while the hour hand has moved slightly towards 8 from 7. Thus, the time is 7:15 or quarter past 7. In this clock, the minute hand is 2 subdivisions ahead of 3. So, the number of minutes is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2, which is equal to 12. And the hour hand has moved slightly towards 7 from 6. Thus, the time is 6:12 or 12 minutes past 6. Use of AM and PM. In our daily life, we use the words most of the time, like Ram eats breakfast at 9:30 a.m. Cartoon show starts at 9:30 p.m., etc. The time shown in both the clocks is same, that is 9:30. In the first clock, it is morning, and in the second clock, it is night. There are 12 hours in between. A day has 24 hours, so 2 hands of the clock rotate twice, showing similar timings twice a day. We denote time by AM or ante-meridian and by PM or post-meridian. AM is used for time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. So, in the morning, if the clock shows this time, then we write or say it as 4:30 a.m., while in the evening, it is written as 4:30 p.m. It is important to note that it's either 12 midnight or 12 noon, never 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. respectively. 24-hour clock. A 12-hour clock is used by firemen, but in railways, airlines and armed forces, 24-hour clock is used. In a 24-hour clock, time is read from 1 to 24 hours. The time is expressed as a 4-digit number, in which the first 2 digits from the left denote the number of hours, and the remaining 2 digits denote the number of minutes. Example: 7:30 a.m. is expressed as 0730 hours. Hence, the first two digits, that is 07, denotes hours and the remaining digits shows minutes. The 12 noon is expressed as 1200 hours. Time duration. The time taken to finish an activity is the duration of the activity. An activity can take a few minutes, like brushing your teeth, or it can continue for hours, like sleeping. For example, the time is 8:05 a.m. now. Roma has 15 minutes left for our school. What time does Roma's school start? If it is 8:05 and you have to add 15 minutes more, so count by adding 5 minutes. Hence, we add 5 minutes to 8:05 a.m. We get 8:10 a.m. and by adding 5 minutes, we have 8:15 a.m. and at last we have to add 5 minutes more. Thus, finally, we have the time, that is 8:20 a.m. Thus, Roma school starts at 8:20 a.m. Calendar. A calendar shows days, weeks, and months of a year. Days. There are 12 months in a year, and the number of days in each month differs. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. April, June, September, and November have 30 days, and February has 28 or 29 days. So, the days in a year is equal to 31 into 7 plus 30 into 4 plus 28 or 29, which equals to 217 plus 120 plus 28 or 29, which means 365 or 366. Weeks. The 7 days of a week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. To calculate the number of weeks in a year, you will have to start from January and count the number of weeks. The month of January has 4 weeks and 3 days. Leap year. A year that has 366 days is called a leap year. The reason for this is that the time taken by the Earth to make one complete revolution around the Sun is 365 days and 6 hours approximately, and this makes 1 year. These 6 hours in every 4 years makes 24 hours, that is 6 into 4. Hence, every 4th year has 366 days or 365 plus 1 days. So, in the leap year, February has 29 days. Note, a year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year. For example, 1980, 1984, 1988, 1996, 2000, 2004. A year ending with 00 is a leap year only if it is divisible by 400. Let's do some examples. Tina went to visit her aunt in Pune on 7th August and left on 5th September. How long did Tina stay with her aunt? Solution. Number of days in August are 31 and she went to Pune on 7th August. So, we will not count the 7th day. Thus, the number of days Tina stayed with her aunt in August is equal to 31 minus 6, which is 25 days. And the number of days Tina stayed with her aunt in September is equal to 5 days. So, the total number of days is equal to 25 plus 5, which is equal to 30 days. Thus, Tina stayed with her aunt for 30 days. Writing dates in short form. We can write the dates in short form. For example, suppose Rohan's date of birth is 10th October 1987. So, we can write it in short form like this. Here, we will write 10 instead of October because in calendar, October comes in the 10th number. We can also write it like this.